Kerwin Espinosa willing to testify before ICC. Confessed drug lord Roland Kerwin Espinosa can be a material witness in the investigation by the International Criminal Court, ICC, into the drug war of the previous administration if he can directly link former President Rodrigo Duterte and the Philippine National Police, especially its former chief and now Senator, Ronald de la Rosa, to the extrajudicial killings, EJKs, during that time. Former Bayan Muna Representative Neri Colmenares, who serves as one of the lawyers for the families of the EJK victims, on Sunday told the Inquirer that Espinosa should first come up with a sworn statement on his knowledge of the EJKs committed during the Duterte administration's drug war. On Saturday, Espinosa, who is running for mayor in his hometown of Albura, Leyte, said in a press conference that he was 1,000% willing to testify before the ICC. Of course, his testimony will be relevant since it is related to the EJKs. Will he ever be material to the case? It will depend on his testimony, Colmenares pointed out. He emphasized that the condition for Espinosa's testimony to be material is whether he can link Duterte and de la Rosa to the killings. Colmenares suggested that it would be best for Espinosa to first testify at the ongoing Quad Committee hearings by the House of Representatives, which is also looking into the drug war. For now, what we are seeing is a mere press statement. He must come up with a sworn statement that is also notarized, he noted. The process of admitting Espinosa as an ICC witness can take two ways, according to Colmenares. The first is through the counsel of the victims' relatives, if Espinosa is willing to cooperate with them. Colmenares said their lawyers can therefore process him as an additional witness. The second is that the ICC prosecutor can communicate directly with Espinosa, since he has publicly stated that he is willing to testify. For Cristina Conti, co-counsel of Colmenares, Espinosa can even qualify as a victim, considering that there is a broad qualification for identifying the victims of a case in the ICC and that the confessed drug lord had mentioned about his father's death. Kerwin's father, former Albura Mayor Rolando Espinosa Sr., died in an alleged shootout with elements of the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group while inside his cell at the subprovincial jail in Baybay Town, Leyte, on November 5, 2016. Another role that Espinosa may take during the ICC hearing is to become an insider witness, if he has information on how the incidents have happened. Duterte willing to face House in Davao City. Duterte said he would be willing to appear before the House Quad Committee investigating the drug war in Pogo, Philippine offshore gaming operators, activities if ever he would be invited to testify. If it's their pleasure, why not? If they will invite me, I just hope that they will ask educated questions, the former president said in a press conference late Saturday night. But Duterte also said he believed that nothing would come out of the House investigation. What do they want to know? Extrajudicial killings? They're true. Illegal drugs. That's why people died. It's because of illegal drugs, he said in a mix of Filipino and English. The head of the Quad Committee on Sunday noted that the standing invitation for the former president to take part in the Super Panel's inquiry. We have a standing invitation for ex-President Duterte in the Committee on Human Rights, which was absorbed by the Quad Com. Surigao del Norte Representative Robert Ace Barbers told the Inquirer in a text message. The formal invitation was issued during the Quad Committee's second hearing on August 22 after Duterte was implicated by Davao Prison and Penal Farm inmates Leopoldo Tan Jr. and Fernando Magdadaro in the killing of 3 Chinese convicted drug lords inside the prison's maximum security facility.
Well, that's it for today's video. What are your thoughts? Please let us know on the comment section below. Whose celebrity do you want us to feature next? Thank you for watching FASN News Channel.